So we start out today's video with this gorgeous copper pixie style. So pretty. Her hair looks absolutely amazing. The cut and color combination is just stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some haircut transformations. Here we have a beautiful pixie bob style, followed by a bob haircut makeover. Very nice, flawless bob haircut. Beautifully done. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone with shoulder length hair. Decide to switch things up with this cute pixie bob style. So we have someone getting a cut refresh for the next one. Beautiful bangs added to frame out the face. Very nice. Next up, we have someone with shoulder length hair. Looks like she has a bit of a shaggy haircut with pops of blonde mixed in. And she decided to get more of like a shaggy pixie style. Very nice. So here we have someone getting a baby mullet. I love her orange copper hair color, very pretty. Gorgeous shape and texture, and the cut does feature some baby bangs as well. And then we have someone rocking dark copper colored hair. Looks like she's getting a pixie. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. Love that copper color. So pretty. Alright, you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.